And we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 345. Just a little bit of a side note until we move on from the pen tool. Already seen in the last couple of videos, you can make straight lines, curved lines, close a shape. This is the basic functionality of the pen tool. And I've already talked about the lasso tool. You can left click drag and create these selection outlines, basically freeform. And this is what the Freeform Pen Tool does for the pen. So you can left click drag and then it creates these nodes according to the line that you've drawn. Use cases are fairly limited. This is more like a tool that you want to use when you have a graphic pen and you create these more advanced digital drawings. But for most basic graphic design tasks, I wouldn't say that it's unusable, but it's way better to just use the pen tool and then go over it afterwards with the curvature pen tool to create your shapes. And that usually gives you the better results. As I've said, this concludes the videos about the pen tool, and we've got a couple of more functions to talk about in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.